students, very good morning. This is our maths class and today we will start with multiplication lesson. Now what is multiplication? In earlier class also you have studied about multiplication. So let us just revise. Multiplication is the one type of addition. Now see, if I am taking the number 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 is equal to 8. This answer is 8. But every time we just can't plus the more numbers. What we have to do? We have to take the 2 into 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times 2. That is 2 4s are 8. This is the addition step and this is the multiplication. Multiplication is the form of addition only. In multiplication what we do? We just multiply the numbers. How many times? The times we want the answer. And how we pronounce it? 2 times 4. That is 2 4s are 8. Now this is a warm-up activity. Match the following. This you can do on your own. See, 26 into 9. You have to find out. In rough, first of all you have to find out what will be the answer. See, 26 into 9. Now we have to do multiplication. First of all, whenever we are multiplying, we have to multiply the numbers first from ones place, then after tens. Now we have to multiply 26 into 9. So we will start with ones place. 9 6s. 9 6s. Answer is 54. How will we write? First ones place number will be here and tens place will be carried over tens place. 9 2s 18. 18 plus 5 23. 26 into 9 234. So here 26 into 9 is 234. We will match here. Similarly you have to do this. Just do in this similar way. 15 into 4. Whenever we are multiplying, always remember we have to take the numbers starting from ones place and then tens place. 4 5s are 20. 2 carry here and ones place 0 here. 4 1s are 4. 4 plus 2 6. 60. See, second is 60. Okay, so you do this on your own. Color the box with the correct answer. Now you have to color the box which is the correct answer. 13 into 6, which is the correct answer? You have to correct it by coloring. You can take any color. Now in this multiplication lesson, what we are going to study? Multiplication tables of 7, 8 and 9. Multiplication of a 2 and 3 digit number by a 1 digit number without and with regrouping. Multiplication of a 2 and a 3 digit number by a 2 digit number without and with regrouping. Multiplication by 10, 100 and 1000. Multiplication by 20, 30, 40 up to 90. And properties of multiplication. So these are the topics we are going to study in this lesson. Now Revati and Fabian went to a stationery shop to buy animal sticker packets. Fabian, how many stickers in a packet? Shopkeeper says each packet has 30 stickers. Okay uncle. Revati, how many stickers will I get in 5 packets? Fabian, you will have a total of 150 stickers in 5 packets. Revati, you add numbers so fast that I am no match. Uncle, please give me 5 packets. Revati says, you do not need to always add the numbers to get an answer. When the same number is repeated several times, simply multiply the number. See, now Revati and Fabian has gone to buy stickers. So each packet has, see, one packet is having 30 stickers. Okay. So they want 5 packets. So how many stickers will they get? One packet is having 30 stickers. 5 times. So 30 plus 30 plus 30 plus 30 plus 30. This is the addition method of multiplication. Addition method. Here total will be 150. Now we have to do by multiplication. That is 30. We want stickers. But how many packets? We want 5 packets. So 5 into 3. So 5 into 30. How much? First of all, whenever we are multiplying the numbers that are ending with 0, we have to write here first 0. Then we have to multiply this. 5 3s are 15. See, 150 stickers they will get. Now 5. What is 5? It is the multiplicand. Multiplicand. It is known as the multiplicand. And 30 is the multiplier. Multiplier. And the answer is the product. The number to be multiplied. This is the number to be multiplied is the multiplicand. And with the multiplicand we multiply is multiplier. And the result we get, it is known as the product. Understood? See here, it is explained. Multiplication is repeated addition. When addition is repeated, it is the multiplication. So 5 is the multiplicand, 30 is the multiplier, and the 150 is the product. The number to be multiplied is known as the multiplicand. The number by which multiplicand is multiplied is known as the multiplier. And the answer we get after multiplication is called the product. Now you all have learned the tables. Multiplication tables of 7, 8 and 9 are given here. Let us study them. See, in first column it is the repeated addition method, and in second column it is the multiplications. This is the product. So just revise 7, 8 and 9 tables. Also here one grid is shown. This is useful for multiplication tables from 1 to 10. See, on both sides we will write 1 to 10 numbers. Then we have to just continue with the numbers and tables. This is very useful grid. We will easily find out the multiplication numbers. Suppose we want to know 7 into 8. So first of all we will take 7 into 8 on the upper column. 8 here. So come here and 7 8 is 56. Understood? This is the easiest way. Go through it. Then we will start with question answers.